What's the meaning of capitalist? Capitalist. Capitalist.
Capitalist. Capitalist. Capitalist refers to a person who owns and controls capital, such as land, factories, or money, for the purpose of generating profits. Capitalism is an economic system based on private ownership of the means of production and distribution of goods and services, with the goal of increasing wealth through investment and trade. Advocates of capitalism argue that it promotes innovation and efficiency, while critics argue that it leads to inequality and exploitation. Ultimately, the impact of capitalism on society depends on how it is regulated and balanced with other social values and goals.